Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, Unfold Biography. Today we will talk about Prophet Yahya alayhi salam. So don't skip the video. Keep watching till the end. Please like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon for future updates. Let's start the video. Prophet Yahya alayhi salam was a significant prophet in Islam. He was born to Prophet Zechariah alayhi salam and his wife, who had been childless for many years. They prayed to Allah for a child, and in response to their prayers, Yahya alayhi salam was born. His birth was considered a miracle because his parents were elderly. Allah blessed him with wisdom and knowledge from a young age. Yahya alayhi salam was known for his piety, righteousness, and strong faith in Allah. He lived in a time when many people had strayed away from the path of righteousness, and he called them to worship Allah and follow his guidance. He was a humble servant of Allah, living an ascetic lifestyle. He wore simple clothes and lived in the wilderness, where he dedicated himself to prayer, fasting, and preaching. Prophet Yahya alayhi salam was given the special task of guiding the children of Israel back to the true path of worship and righteousness. He preached about repentance and urged people to leave their sinful ways and return to Allah. His message emphasized moral conduct, humility, and devotion to Allah. He also called for social justice and the care of the poor and needy. Yahya alayhi salam was also known for his courage and boldness in delivering the message of Allah. He didn't fear speaking the truth, even when it was unpopular. One of the most notable aspects of his life was his strong opposition to King Herod and his immoral behavior. The king was living in a sinful relationship, and Yahya alayhi salam publicly condemned it. As a result, the king's wife became angry and plotted against him. The story of Prophet Yahya alayhi salam's death is tragic. He was eventually imprisoned by King Herod, who, at the request of the king's wife, had him beheaded. Despite this, Yahya alayhi salam remained steadfast in his faith and did not renounce his message. His martyrdom is seen as a symbol of unwavering faith and dedication to Allah's cause. Prophet Yahya alayhi salam relationship with his father, Prophet Zechariah alayhi salam, was very special. Zechariah alayhi salam himself was a prophet who prayed for a child. And when Yahya was born, he became a source of comfort and joy for him. Yahya alayhi salam's role as a prophet was to continue the legacy of his father and bring people back to the true worship of Allah. In Islam, Yahya alayhi salam is honored as one of the prophets who guided the people toward righteousness. His life is considered an example of humility, piety, and dedication to Allah. The Quran mentions his name in several places, praising his character and mission. Prophet Yahya alayhi salam's story teaches the importance of standing up for the truth, living a life of virtue, and following the guidance of Allah. Though Yahya's time on earth was short, his legacy remains significant. His story is remembered and respected by Muslims around the world as an example of how to live a life pleasing to Allah. His unwavering commitment to his mission, even in the face of danger, serves as a source of inspiration for those who follow the path of righteousness and faith.